You mean to say that those people know ahead of time when they're going to die?
That's right.
Oh, that's silly. What's the reason for that?
That's the way things are. The way things have always been.
Yeah, it takes all the fun out of dying. But if they're all shut up tight in there, as you say, how are we going to get to see them? All the young people. What'd you say?
What does the water do?
Must be part of the power system. The ocean tides are turned into energy somehow.
Does it go inside the city?
Yes, I think so. I don't know where, though. Just took it for granted, like everything else. I think it's our only chance. Here, let me help you.
No, I can look after myself. If ever time comes when I can't look after myself, I said to my cat, why, that's the moment of your crying.
I'll have to tell him. We're gonna try and get in through here.
Oh, yeah.
I'm sorry, I don't think you can make it.
Oh, my, I'm so looking forward to seeing all those people.
Well, I want you to meet them too. Look, stay here as long as you can. We'll bring them to you.
All the people?
Uh-huh.
You know, they've never seen a cat.
People have never seen a cat?